Come test drive this 2010 Infiniti G37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include power front seats, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.